Hey everybody, welcome back to the Race 5 Smokehouse and Grill, and today we are cooking up this beautiful shrimp on the Weber Kettle. Let's go! So we've got a couple pounds of this beautiful shrimp here. We're gonna go ahead and throw it on the Weber and make some delicious smoked shrimp. First thing we're gonna do right now is get that Weber Kettle fired up. This is gonna be a short cook. So we're gonna put just a few chunks of the Jealous Devil lump charcoal on the bottom unlit. We're gonna throw a couple small sticks of oak on top of the unlit charcoal. And then we're gonna hit it with a small chimney of lit coals. Get that fire going. We're gonna be cooking these between 275 and 300, and these are only going to go up to about 120 degrees internal, so it shouldn't take long, half hour maybe. So now that we got that fired up, that's going to come up to temperature. Let's get these ready. Now this is going to be simple too. This is all going to go on in an aluminum pan here. Now we're going to chop this butter into pats, and then we're going to line the bottom of this pan here. Doesn't matter where you put them, where they go, because these are going to melt. And when they melt, they're going to get mixed in with all the seasoning we're about to put in there, and it's going to make for some great shrimp. So just pretty random, cover the bottom. Now we've got this butter covering the bottom, and we're going to hit it with two of my favorite seasonings. Going to hit it with Old Bay and Tony C's Creole seasoning. And we're going to hit this pan liberally with this. Same with the Tony C's. Now we have the bottom of the pan seasoned. We're going to throw the shrimp right on top of this. Now this is all peeled and deveined shrimp already. And as this butter melts and the shrimp heats up, it's all just going to marry together. Okay, we have this first layer done, looking good. Now we're going to do the same thing we did on the bottom, but on top. I'm going to hit it with the Tony C's. Then I'm going to hit it with the Old Bay. Then another stick of butter. Now this pan is ready. It is looking beautiful. Time to go put it on the grill. We're gonna be cooking again between 275 to 300 until these are done. At about 10 minutes in, all this is gonna be melted and going together, and I'm gonna come in and just mix it all up, get all those flavors integrated. Then we're gonna let it go until it's done. So let's go put this on the grill. Grill is up to temperature. We're looking right at about 285 right now, so we're gonna put these shrimp on. We're gonna keep this shrimp away from the fire bed as much as possible. Now let's close it up. Shrimp is on the grill. Everything's looking great right now. We're gonna come back in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, mix all that up together and close her back up. So we're gonna be back and we'll show you what it looks like after it starts melting and all those spices and butter starts mixing together. We'll be right back. While this is going, we've got a few minutes here. We're gonna make a quick cocktail sauce that's gonna be awesome to go with this. Start off with a little ketchup. Then we're gonna hit it with some horseradish, which is a key to any good cocktail sauce. I love horseradish and I love spicy, so we're gonna go a little strong with this one. Then to even add more of that spicy flavor, we're gonna add some Coleman's mustard. If you've never had Coleman's mustard, woo, you need to try it if you like spicy. And then we're gonna finish it off with a little W sauce to add a little more tang to it. Goes well with that seafood bite. Now let's get a little dipper here. Gonna need some more horseradish here, so we're gonna throw a bit more in here. Good and horseradishy, ooh yeah. That's what we're talking about. Got that nice kick. We'll clear your sinuses up. Perfect. We got this set up. Now we gotta watch that shrimp. So let's go check on the shrimp. Shrimp have been on about 15 minutes. So let's go take a look, see how that butter's melted, and see if it's getting ready to be mixed around. Let's go look. Oh yeah, you can see that that's all melted nicely. We're just gonna mix this up here. Get all that beautiful butter and seasoning. Make sure it gets all over every piece of this shrimp. And you can see that these are starting to firm up and close up. So we're getting close, but we don't want to overcook them, but we definitely don't want to undercook them. So we're gonna close this back up and let them finish up. So let's close it and we'll be back when it's time to taste. Shrimp is done. Again, half hour or so at about 275. It ran up to 300 there towards the end, so it cooked a little quicker. Half hour though, and you get great shrimp. So now it's time to taste. Got these set up here in that homemade cocktail sauce. You still taste that butter and the Cajun seasoning and the Old Bay. All of it plays together because it cooked in it. Then that homemade cocktail sauce with the Coleman's mustard and the horseradish and the W sauce. All those flavors play so well together. But then I also saved all those butter and juices from the pan. This is going to be awesome too. Oh yeah. So good. Definitely try this out at home, guys. Weber Kettle. Super easy dish. And then you could use this shrimp for anything you want. You can make fajitas, or you can make tacos, or you could fried rice, anything you want. But you got the base now with this great shrimp. So thanks again for checking it out. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment. Let me know if you think I should have done something different. Check me out on social media, and we'll talk to you all soon. Thanks again, everybody. Peace.